How to view a private Instagram account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see if we can view a private Instagram account or not. So to find out, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, and if you're wondering if you can view a private Instagram account, but unfortunately in Instagram there is not any direct method which will allow you to view a private Instagram account. If you want to view the private Instagram account, the only way you can do is to request, or you can follow that account. So you can simply send a request to that account, and once that account approve your request, and if the account approve your request, then you can only be able to view that private Instagram account. So that's the only way, and there is no other way that's gonna help you to view a private Instagram account rather than following that account. So hope this video helps you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.